going to be looking at the long A vowel sound. Okay, vowel sounds, you need to make sure your mouth is open and your mouth is not blocking, or your tongue or teeth or lips are not blocking the sound. Okay, so it's the long A sound. So here we have A, A, A. So A and I together in words makes the long A sound. Okay, so let's put the long vowel sound A into some words. And the first word is aim. 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 I'm going to aim to throw my marker into the bin. Aim. Okay. Aim. Aim. 3 letters, 2 sounds there for aim. 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 Super. So next one we have is painted. 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 Okay. Painted. Painted. I painted the wall a different colour. Painted. I've got the ed at the end. That can make 3 different sounds. It can make d, t, or id. In this word, it's making the id sound. Id. Painted. And we've got 2 adjacent consonants here, n and t, to make a nt sound. Okay. Id. Painted. Okay, so how many letters do we have there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters. How many sounds? Id. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sounds. Okay, so going on to our last one, which is raincoat. Raincoat. R A N C O T. Raincoat. R A N C O T. Raincoat. We got the O 2-letter sound here as well. Raincoat. Now it's a long word, so you could split it into 2 parts. Okay, you could have rain, and then have coat, oat, coat, and put them together to make raincoat. Raincoat, raincoat. I will wear my raincoat when it is raining, funnily enough. Okay, so let's go through them all again together then. Okay, so first one we have is the sound A. 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 Make sure you're saying it with me at home like always. Next one, aim. 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 Now painted. 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 And raincoat. 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 For watching today, please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.